I asked Prime Minister of Turkey. So since we told us last time that you discussed with your parliament, uh, what you have the idea from your parliament, because since Afghanistan is also agreed to do this, and Pakistan already declared the free trade area for Afghanistan. So, uh, what your think will be? Uh, what's your idea?
Thank you, Mr. President. I'm glad to bring it to light that I have raised this issue in my parliament, and we are hoping very good results from them. And we are also looking forward to raise this issue and bring it to light in the coming future very soon.
Thank you, Prime Minister of Turkey. What I see with this progress, all countries are very willing to join the union, like European Union, and thank you all. I welcome the members, KEFTA members, directors, and the head of states and prime ministers. So I like President of Turkmenistan to please show the light.
Thank you. Turkmenistan is largely desert country with nomadic cattle raising, intensive agricultural and irrigated oases, and huge gas and oil resources. One half of its irrigated land is planted in cotton, placing the country in the top 10 to 15 producers. It also possesses the world's fourth largest reserves of natural gas and substantial oil resources. Until the end of 1993, Turkmenistan has had experienced less economic disruption than other former Soviet states because its economy received a boost from higher prices for oil and gas and a sharp increase in hard currency earnings. As in the Soviet era, central planning and state control pervade the system, and the Niyazov government in power 1991 to 2006 consistently rejected market reform programs. The state subsidized a wide variety of commodities and services. In controlling Turkmenistan's trade sector, the main goal of government policy is to maintain and expand foreign markets for gas, fuel products, electricity, and cotton. Just prior to independence, trade with other Soviet republics accounted for 93% of Turkmenistan's export and 81 of its imports. Population is about 5 million, and its GDP is 27.6 billion, rank 127th as of 2004. GDP growth is 7.5%. GDP per capita is $3,420. GDP by sector: agriculture 28.5%, industry 42.7%, services 28.8%. Its inflation is 3.5%. Population below poverty line is 58%, and unemployment is 60%. Main industries are natural gas, oil, petroleum products, textiles, food processing. Exports 4 billion. Main export partner: Ukraine 49.8%, Iran 17.2%, Italy 5.3%, Turkey 4.7%. Imports are 2.85 billion. Main import partners are Russia 14%, Ukraine 13.8%, US 11.1%, UAE 8.1%, Turkey 8%, Germany 6.8%, France 4.6%.
Thank you, President of Turkmenistan. Now I like to have President of Tajikistan to show some light on your country.
Thank you, Mr. President. Since independence, Tajikistan gradually followed the path of transition economy, reforming its economic policies. With foreign revenue precariously dependent upon exports of cotton and aluminium, the economy is highly vulnerable to external shocks. International assistance also was necessary to address the second year of severe drought that resulted in a continued shortfall of food production. Tajikistan's economy grew substantially after the war. The GDP of Tajikistan expanded at an average rate of 9.6% over the period of 2000 to 2007, according to the World Bank data. This improved Tajikistan's position among other Central Asian countries, namely Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan, which have degraded economically ever since. As of August 2009, an estimated 60% of Tajikistani citizens live below the poverty line. The 2008 global financial crisis has hit Tajikistan hard, both domestically and internationally. Tajikistan has been hit harder than many countries because it already has a high poverty rate, and because many of its citizens depend on remittances from expatriate Tajikistanis. Population of Tajikistan is 7.6 million, GDP $15.4 billion, GDP growth 2.8% according to 2009. GDP per capita is $700 according to World Bank 2009. GDP by sector: agriculture 23%, industry is 29.4%, services is 47.6%, inflation is 11.8%, population below poverty line is 60%, unemployment is 2.3%. Main industries of Tajikistan are aluminium, zinc, lead, chemicals and fertilizers, cement, vegetable oil, metal cutting machine tools, refrigerators and freezers. Export is 1.4 billion. Export goods are aluminium, electricity, cotton, fruits, vegetable oil and textiles. Main export partners are Netherlands 38.9%, Turkey 32.5%, Russia 6.6%, Uzbekistan 5.9%, Iran 5.1%. Imports are 3.2 billion US dollars. Import goods are electricity, petroleum products, aluminium oxide, machinery and equipment, foodstuffs. Main import partners are Russia 32.1%, Kazakhstan 13.1%, China 10.8%, Uzbekistan 8.4%.
Thank you, President of Tajikistan. Now I want to ask the President of Turkey what's your opinion about this Karachi to Istanbul Free Trade Area. Did you got the approval from your parliament?
Thank you very much, Mr. President. I'm glad to inform you that my parliament has approved KIFTA to be as a free trade relationship between Karachi to Istanbul, and we are ready to sign it, and we are very positive to go further with you.
Thank you, Prime Minister of Turkey.
Thank you. We have already taken similar steps, and my parliament has also approved this, and we are further exploring the details before we enter into MOUs. So, thank you, Prime Minister.
Thank you, Prime Minister. I agree with you. Thank you.
Thank you, President of Afghanistan, Prime Minister of Pakistan, and Prime Minister of Turkey. Now we are start the process of free trade. Thank you of all of you who came here and signed the CAFTA agreement, and thank you.